your resume is costing you jobs, the brutal truth. Think your resume is good enough? Think again. If you're applying for jobs and not hearing back, chances are your resume is the problem. In this video, I break down the brutal truth about why your resume is holding you back and how to fix it. Stick around for actionable tips that will get you resume and job offers. You sent out dozens of job applications, but your inbox is empty. No interview calls, no responses. Sounds familiar? Here's the brutal truth. Your resume is the problem, and today I'm going to break down why it's getting rejected and exactly how to fix it. I work with professionals, career changers, job seekers, and even executives who are struggling to stand out in a crowded job market. If you've been ghosted after applying, stuck in a job you just hate, or unsure if your resume is working, this video is for you. Why should you care? By the end of this video, you will understand the 3 biggest mistakes that you make on your resume that's keeping you from interviews and how to fix them today. The 3 mistakes that are costing you jobs. Mistake number 1. Your resume is a job description and not a marketing tool. Yes, I said it. Most resumes just list job duties. Hiring managers actually don't care what you're responsible for. They care about what you've achieved. And instead of writing managed a team of 5, say led a 5-person team to increase revenue by 20% in 6 months. Do you see the difference? Actionable tip number 1. Quantify your results, numbers, impact, and achievements.
Mistake number 2. No keywords, no customization. If your resume looks the same for every job application, you're definitely doing it wrong. Most of the times, actually. Most companies use ATS systems that's called Application Tracking System. It scans for keywords from the job description. If your resume doesn't have those keywords, it will never be seen by a human. Action tips. Tailor your resume to each job by mirroring the keywords from the job posting. Mistake number 3. It looks outdated and hard to read. You're still using New Romans, a cluttered format. Recruiters spend only 6 seconds scanning a resume. If it's hard to read, it's going straight to the trash. Most times it doesn't actually even get to them. Action tip number, I think I've forgotten. Keep it clean, modern, and scannable. Use a simple font that's Arial, Calibri, and Helvetica. A clear section heading will be good enough. So how do you go from getting ignored to landing interviews? Here's your 3 steps. The 3-step resume fix. Step 1. Rewrite your experience to focus on achievements and not task actually. Step 2. Add job description or add job specific keywords so your resume gets past the ATS system. Step 3. Use a modern format that's clean and professional. Yes. Keep it very simple, very clean, and very concise. If you've been struggling with job application, I promise you, fixing your resume will change everything. It's not about having 10 years of experience. It's about positioning yourself as the best candidates. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below with the biggest struggle you're facing in your job search. I personally respond to as many as I can. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more game-changing career tips coming soon. See you soon. Bye bye. Ciao.